So you like free, huh? Or maybe you just like being super sneaky. I built Excel Maze to train people how to be faster in Excel using the Karate Kid method. You know, wax on, wax off. In other words, by harnessing the power of muscle memory. Excel Maze offers 2 workbooks that provide easy, fun games to teach you the most important things in Excel. If you're a novice, it walks you through everything step by step. And if you're a pro, you're still guaranteed to learn something new. Since the games provide value, they have price tags on them. $15 to master Excel's shortcut keys, $25 to master Excel's functions, or $30 to do both. I've often asked myself, would IJD pay those prices to get better at Excel? And every time I ask myself that question, the answer is, heck no, I would want it for free. Maybe you feel the same way that I do. Maybe that's why you're watching this video. And maybe you're saying to yourself, I thought this guy was going to give me this super sneaky way to get Excel Maze free. When's he going to go ahead and do that? Okay, here's the secret. There are actually 2 people who want you to work faster in Excel. One of those people doesn't always love spending money to learn new things. That's probably you. The other person is okay with spending money for you to learn new things. That person is, drumroll please, your boss. If you work faster in Excel, that means you're getting more done. If you're getting more done, it means you're adding more value to your company. Do you think you'd add more than $30 of extra value to your company over the next 3, 5, or 10 years if you were 10 times faster in Excel? If the answer is yes, you have a super easy way to help your company to invest in you and get a positive return on their investment. So the super sneaky way to get Excel Maze for free is by having your company pay for it. Just write your boss a quick email saying you found a great, fun way to get better at Excel and you'd like to improve your skills so you can add more value to your company. Then ask if they'll reimburse you for the training. Or just make an executive decision, buy it and get it reimbursed. Your boss is going to be happy that you did when they see how much more you get done. So go to excelmaze.com right now and purchase the package that's right for you. Save your receipt and run it through Expensify, Concur, Divi, or whatever expense management tool you use at your company. Take the time to invest in yourself. You'll be glad that you did. Have fun and good luck.